Hello friend, in this video we will discuss how we can measure the straightness and flatness. As we know, the straightness and flatness comes under the form tolerance, and for the form tolerance we don't use any datums. Datum means reference, so we don't take any reference to give the tolerance, so it is free from the datum reference plane. How we can measure the straightness and flatness? This is the general asked question for the post of design engineer and for the quality engineer. First one, we will see how to measure the straightness. As here you can see that on a drawing I have applied the straightness of 0.002. Here I want a edge of pin to be straight, so its meaning is like this. Here the two parallel lines are forming the tolerance zone. So in the tolerance zone the part must be lines. So after the production of the part, it will send to the inspection department to check whether it is in allowable limit or not. We can measure the straightness of the surface with the help of dial indicator or the probe indicator. For that, we are holding the workpiece in the V block, or you can hold the workpiece in the two parallel height gauge. So here we are not taking any reference, we are directly measuring. By holding in the V block, we are directly measuring the straightness of the surface. In the next situation, I have applied the straightness to the diameter of the pin. So here its meaning is it's forming a cylindrical tolerance zone for the axis. So here understood that we are applying the straightness to the diameter, so it will create the tolerance zone for the axis of that pin. So it is very difficult technique to measure the axis because the axis is a imaginary one. So for that we are using the two dial indicator to track the axial deviation. Two dial indicator, we can take the reading from the both the sides, so we will get the middle or the median points. So from that we can check whether it is in cylindrical tolerance zone or not. If it is in cylindrical zone or the given limits, so we can accept, or if it is out of limits, then we will reject the part. How to measure the flatness? Generally we are applying the flatness on the mounting surface. So if the part is mounted on the another surface of the part, then we are providing the flatness to the surface. So here I have applied the flatness on the surface of the part. So I want this part to be flat. Its meaning is it forms a two parallel plane tolerance zone. In the figure you can see that it forms two parallel plane tolerance zone. We can measure the flatness with the help of Indian pin set method. You already know that from the 3 points we will get the plane. So here indirectly we are getting the plane surface. So from the 3 point we will get the plane by using the 3 pins which is having a equal height. After that we are placing the required surface on that pin, and we are taking the reading from the bottom with the help of dial indicator. So here understood that we are not taking any reference. If the part lies within the two parallel plane, then we will accept the part, or if it is out of that two parallel tolerance zone, then we will reject the part. So like this, in this video we have discussed the how we can measure the straightness and flatness. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share and comment the video, because we are daily uploading the videos on mechanical engineering and design related guidelines. So thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.